Hello everyone, it's Patty's Hobby World. As everybody knows, I started the Medusa, Colormorphia Kerby Rosanes, and there's a tutorial out there or demonstration of, a couple previous content. So please look for those and view those. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. So let's get on with the next part. Where we left off, earlier was I colored the underbellies of the snake. So I want to show you that I finished all of the underbellies as promised. So the underbellies on this side, and then I want to show you a little technique. Let me pull it up right there. And if you can look down right at that snake, right in the middle, I wanted to get that luminescent look. And I got a gel pen. Now I've done the rest of them, so I just got a bright gel pen. And then what I did was I just went right down the middle. Right down the middle. Sometimes you got to get these pens activated. Hold on. Here we go. I went right down the middle. And then I touched my finger to smudge it. Right down the middle, smudge. Because I didn't want it to be too stark. Smudge. I didn't want people to say, oh yeah, she got gel pen in the middle. So, and smudge. If I needed a little bit more, I just put a little bit more down. And that's what you see when you see the luminescence in the middle. So you see how that, just a little, let's just get it in there. I know this is pretty much, all right, so that's how I did that. So if you're wondering, oh wow, the center looks really good. Let me see if I can scroll in. As you know, Patty ain't good with this zooming in stuff. But there you have it. You could see the glow of the yellow now. So I'm going to scroll back out. Oh, sorry. Here we go. All right, so now, boom. We are going to do the underbelly of the other side. Okay? So we're going to work on this guy right here. That guy right there. And then we're going to do the other side of her. Now she has morphed over to the Medusa in full effect. So as I explained before, I was going to do the whole page. The whole page. Half this side was going to be a blue snake. This side is going to be a brown, black, gold snake to reflect this side. And then blue, greens on this side. All right. So let's get started. Here is our color chart. And I've chosen 056, 039, and 57. So now what that looks like to you. You know, I love 73, but let's just keep it blue. I'll leave 73 out. But there you go. So let's get them in the proper order. Take her out real quick because I'm going to do a test. All right, so there you go. Now I did a little swatch of these sitting together. So and they look good together. So all right, so let's get started on this guy right here. I don't know what you're drinking for lunch, but another cup of coffee, can of soda, water. I don't know what you guys ate for lunch. Okay, so I like the blue-green. would like to test the other color. You know what, let's just go all the way up to this page because then I can highlight it. All right, shade in. A little bit of shade here. We're getting the, I guess the weather that's coming in from Florida. All right, and then let's go to the darker. Oh, I need to sharpen this. Now don't forget, this deeper blue, this blue that's up here is going to be on the outside. It's going to be his scales. Just like on the other side of the face, and I'm going to zoom out in just a second. I started doing a little swirly motion, circular motion, because as much as I like that straight line and then fading, I thought this circular motion really did better for what I was trying to achieve. Let me get my, I think I need to bring just a little bit more in. And I know it looks like, Patty, you need another color down here. No, I'm just going to push on this pencil. Because like I said, I don't want to get too dark. And I can always use black. Okay. Now I like that. Do I? All right, let's just a little hue up here. Not about that. Okay. I'm just gonna grab 29. No, not 75, y'all. We don't need 75 no more. Alright, so I'm just going to get some black. And this time I'm going to complete it with the neon color as well. Just down there. Alright, so you see that? Do the circular motion. I mean, once you do your eyeliner, kind of bring it up just a little bit. Get this out because I need to bring her up just a little bit more. So you want to, but I like that. All right, how is that? Just a little. Just bring her out. No. There. just a little. There. Okay, then we're going to use this one to create, let's see where we're at. Checking time. I'm going to create this fine line here. You see that? I'm just going to do a little flickers so that we can get some attention to this rigid area. Don't forget, remember I used to do my stippling technique? Just highlight it. You can do a little bit of that stippling technique as well. Create a little bit of more character. Watch, I'll do a couple more. So wash it out just a little bit. There. So now you can create a little stippling technique. I can do it to the other side as well, but we won't, because we'll keep that to that side. Okay. I'm just going to see, well, what I'll do is I'll do one this color. So there you have it. That was quick because it wasn't as long as, and then I'm gonna turn this just this way. Let's see if I can get, okay, how's that? That looks good. Okay, so now let's do, I gotta eat some lunch. I was drinking one of my drinks, but hold on, I'm trying to check for my okay, so here's, this is going to be a little bit more greener. I didn't want the yellow. And come on, let's get on the paper. It's not going down as nicely as I like. I'll work on it. But definitely got to tap it. It's because it's going over the yellow. Over the crayon, I should say. Let me see if I can find another. That's got the glitter in it. Normally I get two, one with glitter in it and one that doesn't have it. So let me see if this one's it. It looks a little lighter. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna give it a go. I kind of lost my little, but I can bring them back. Okay. And we'll bring, I like that stippling, but I might have to use marker. So let's just do the marker down here. Let's create some stippling. Because remember, you got to use everything in your toolbox. Everything in the toolbox. How's that? Keep all this stuff up here. Let's take a look at that. I hope I stayed in the mirror. Yeah, I did. Let's move this out of the way. Okay, that looks good. Let me open up some more light. How about that? Thanks for watching my channel. So I am going to just work on this a little bit. Let me scroll out for the full effect. Let's see her. Give her her full respect. Okay. I think she's clear. Okay, she's clear. Okay, so I'm gonna work this a little bit more. Okay, and blend it because I don't see it blending the way I like. So hold on, let's get back over here, guys. I'm just gonna get the lighter color. See if I can blend her just a little bit more. And then get the darker and just give it just a little bit more down here. Is that a little bit better? Yeah, I think that's better. All right, so let's take a look. Oh yeah. So there you have it. All right, I am going to continue to do the underbellies of all the other snakes because we've got several here. And then the next video we'll go back to this side and we'll finish the backside of the snake. And then we'll go, we'll transition back and forth. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay inspired, color, color, color. Please like, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it, and thank you.